we talk about ball positioning is another key, and it's a very simple thing. It's important, but people are not always aware of when they talk about ball positioning, why it is so important. And when I tell you to put your feet together, you know where center is. Center is right here. So the ball should always start in the center. And short irons, I'd say, 9/8, pitching wedge, everything should start from the center. And that's because the swing is an arc, and you have to have a bottom of the arc, and that's why you want the ball to be at the bottom of the arc. So with the short irons, the bottom of the arc comes more towards the center. And as you get to the driver, though, we start from here in the center, and then as we progress up to the driver, then we just step out a little bit with the left foot and the right foot, and you can see the ball is you'll always know where the ball is. So be aware of that. It's hard to hit a driver from back here, and it's hard to hit a short iron from up here. So when you put your feet together and you're lining that club up on that face, and you get that face square, and now you've got that the club face on that line, then you square out. I'm hitting a short iron, so I'm going to stop, spread both feet out at equidistance. And I don't have to worry about that anymore. That is something that you can do before you ever hit the ball, and it just helps contact the ball a little bit better. And again, it's a small thing, but it is really a important part of the swing and golf is ball positioning. So pay attention to that. But like I said, this is all pre-shot. And I can't hit a ball without looking at that club face and setting that club down, looking at that target, and then I'm squaring off to that club face towards that where I want the ball to go.